Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can merge your brain rots or your plants in Plants vs Brain Rot game on Roblox using the Mutation Machine. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you can go to the central island and you need to go to this Mutation Machine. And just remember guys that it only works for the mutated brain rots and mutated plants. And for example, I'm going to merge my plants. Of course, we need plants with mutation. I'm going to go to the plants menu and I'm going to merge my neon sunflower with my diamond sunflower. Wait, this one. Okay, and the plants or the brain rots needs to be same. Okay, and to activate the machine you will need AXP to power, and I have already put on my AXP. Wait, let me show you guys the AXP. You need to equip the AXP first. For example, this one, battle AXP, and you can get it from extracting your plants using the plant extractor. Okay, and after that you can start to merge or mix your plants. Okay, you can go to this menu and tap on mix. Okay, and now the mixing process is being started and it needs 9 minutes if I'm not mistaken, and the plants will be automatically added to your inventory after finished. Okay guys, and that's how you can merge your plants or brain rots using the mutation machine in Plants vs Brain Rots game on Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.